Hello friends, I am Dr. Harsha Suryavanshi, Assistant Professor from Shri Shivaji Law College, Parbhani, Maharashtra. In this video, we will discuss what are the fair uses of rights of copyright. First, let us see what do you mean by fair use. The doctrine of fair use permits unlicensed use of copyright protected work. Use of rights regarding copyright is exclusive domain of copyright owner. Copyright owner only can exercise the rights of copyrighted work. Doctrine of fair use permits or allows use of some rights of copyright owner without permission or without license of copyright owner. फेयर इसका मीनिंग है न्यायोचित. कभी कभी कॉपीराइट ओनर के लाइसेंस या फिर परमिशन के बिना ही कॉपीराइट ओनर के राइट्स जो है वो यूज़ किए जाते हैं, लेकिन उन्हें इन्फ्रिंजमेंट नहीं कहा जाता है. यही है डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ फेयर यूज़. अदरवाइज यूज़ ऑफ कॉपीराइटेड वर्क विदाउट कंसेंट ऑफ ओनर अमाउंट्स टू इन्फ्रिंजमेंट. कॉपीराइट ओनर की परमिशन के बिना अगर कॉपीराइट का यूज़ होता है तो उसे इन्फ्रिंजमेंट कहा जाता है. लेकिन let us first see what exactly fair here refers. Here fair means to balance between conflicting interest. On one hand, there is interest of the copyright owner, and on the contrary, there is interest of public in general. Whenever these two interests they conflict, the doctrine of fair use try to reconcile the conflict. By use of doctrine of fair use, one can use the copyrighted material without permission of copyright owner but under restricted conditions. In this video, we will see in short what are the circumstances that are not considered as infringement. Let us see. If copyrighted material is used by a person for his private use without permission or consent or license of copyright owner, it is fair use and it does not amount to infringement. Similarly, use of copyrighted work for research purpose, for criticizing the work, or making review of the work, or reporting the work in newspaper does not amount to infringement, but it is protected by the doctrine of fair use. Similarly, if copyrighted material is used only for the purpose of education of pupil or students without permission of copyright owner, it is not infringement but it is doctrine of fair use. Whenever a teacher while teaching reproduces any copyrighted material, that does not amount to infringement but it is doctrine of fair use. Similarly, showing performances or making performances during education also does not amount to infringement. If any article or part of article is reproduced in any newspaper or any magazine, and such newspaper or magazine is devoted to current social, political, economic or religious topic, under such circumstances the doctrine of fair use will work. ऐसी परिस्थिति में जो यूज़ किया जाएगा या फिर अगर कॉपीराइटेड वर्क रिप्रोड्यूस किया जाता है तो उसे इन्फ्रिंजमेंट नहीं कहा जाएगा और उसे इन्फ्रिंजमेंट से प्रोटेक्शन दिया जाता है. हम कह सकते हैं कि डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ फेयर यूज़ इट इज़ अ डिफेंस. यह एक डिफेंस है जो आप इन्फ्रिंजमेंट के अगेंस्ट क्लेम कर सकते हैं. यदि कोई कॉपीराइट ओनर उसके कॉपीराइट या फिर रिलेटेड राइट्स का अगर इन्फ्रिंजमेंट क्लेम करता है तो ऐसी परिस्थिति में जो डिफेंडेंट है, जो पर्सन गिल्टी है, वो ये डिफेंड कर सकता है कि उसका जो यूज़ है, उसने जो कॉपीराइटेड मटेरियल यूज़ किया है वो डॉक्ट्रिन ऑफ फेयर यूज़ के तहत है और उसे प्रोटेक्शन मिल सकता है. सिमिलरली, पब्लिकेशन ऑफ रिपोर्ट of a lecture which is delivered in public is also protected against infringement. One can claim defense of fair use when he publishes report of a lecture which is delivered in public. Thank you friends for watching the video. In further videos we will discuss in detail what is the doctrine of fair use. Thank you very much.